We've made some enhancements to the lawn sign management. Let's take a look at what these are. The first one, lawn sign requests made from your website are now added to your lawn sign lists as new requests. Both the volunteer sign up and the donation web pages can now have lawn sign requests. And if you've already got several voters with an attribute indicating a lawn sign request, you can perform a mass assignment to create the lawn sign request record in Trailblazer. Let's take a look. There's some configuration required before you can add these things to your websites. Let's go and see what's required. Go to System Manager, expand your lists, and choose lawn sign types. Your list may look different than mine depending on how you may have customized this. But the new feature that's been added is this right here where it says Web Enabled and Web Sequence. You can determine what order you'd like them in. In my case, I want small, medium, and large in that particular order. And so when I open up one of these lawn signs, I indicate the checkbox here for Display on Website, give it its sequence number, and again, this is what order you want them to appear relative to the other ones on the page. And I've indicated a description that will appear on the website. Once that's completed, the next place to go to is the website configuration. I'll answer no to these questions. I'm going to go to my sign up groups, and I am going to say show the lawn sign component. If I want this also on my donation page, I'll go to my donations and also indicate to show the lawn sign component. So I'll make those check marks. To do a live preview, I can click on my live previews, scroll down the page, and I can see there's my lawn sign requests have been added. This is onto my donation page. When I go over to my sign up groups and again look at the live preview and scroll down, there it is, there's my lawn sign requests as they will appear. You may want to modify the special instructions or the title above here. If you do, that would be done on this component tab. I've happened to have added the instructions label as special installation instructions. You may have something else that you would prefer. If you would like to change the label of lawn sign request to something else, going back to the component, you would add that description right there. To make the changes to your website, be sure to click the link above, which refreshes everything on the website. And then you can view the changes in your live preview page or tab here. Let's go see how these changes have affected my web page. Here's my sample website. I'm going to go to my volunteer page, and what I'm going to see is the same old volunteer page that I've had before, same previous issues and volunteer information, except now I've got the lawn sign request added to the bottom. Let's fill this in and see where it goes in Trailblazer. So I've just submitted the lawn sign request from the volunteer sign up page. Let's take a look at how that appears now in Trailblazer. I'll go over to my lawn signs and I will select today's date, in my case July 17th through today's date, same day, and I'm looking for those that have been requested, and there's the Steve Adams record with the note. And if you needed to make any changes to this record, just click on the voter ID number, click on the lawn sign tab if not currently selected, and make any changes you need. The final item is if you already have voters in your database that have been marked with the attribute of requesting a lawn sign, how can you tell the database to assign them a lawn sign request without having to do them one by one? In my database, I'm going to go to my attributes, go down to my volunteers, and select the I would like a lawn sign check mark, do a search, and I'll find that I've got 20 records that meet that criteria. Now I go to the Edit menu and go to the bottom where it says Create Lawn Sign Records, and I'll put a lawn sign type of small on those. For the general election 2012, I'll put a status of requested, and I will click OK. Once completed, I'll go over to my lawn sign list, go to Date Requested of the 17th, choose a status of requested, do my search, and there's my 20 records that were just created from the voter list.